Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Happy Monday. I hope you're having a wonderful morning or wonderful afternoon or wonderful evening, whatever time of the day it is for you when you're watching this. I hope everyone had an awesome weekend. And it's a new day, Monday, and we are going to start with our calendar. Okay, friends, we know that we are still in the month of September, right? Okay, so Friday was September the 25th. So let's go 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So Saturday was September the 26th, the 2 and a 6. Okay, so what comes after 26? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27, a 2 and a 7. And today, 27, 28 is today, 28. So our date is September 28, 2020. Okay, somebody has a birthday tomorrow, and that is Avery. So Avery, one more day and it will be your birthday. I can't wait. Okay, let's talk about today. What did Mrs. Hensley say the day of the week was today? Monday. Good job, friends. Monday. So today is Monday. What will tomorrow be? Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so today's Monday. Let's see what comes after Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So tomorrow will be Tuesday, the day after Monday. Okay? And what was yesterday? What comes before Monday? Sunday, Monday. Oh, there it is. Sunday, Monday, Sunday. Sunday was yesterday. So yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. We are in the season of autumn, which is also called fall. Okay, let's look at our calendar here, and we're going to count, okay? So we're going to count to 28. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so we are going to do our days that we've been in school. Okay, so we're going to add a straw to the numbers of days we've been in school. So let's count. We have 1 10 and another 10. So we have 10, 20. Put those back in the tens. 20, 21, 22. We have been in school 22 days. Let's add a tally and let's count our tallies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So we're going to write a 22. We've been in school 22 days. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have been in school 22 days. Mrs. Hensley forgot she wanted to talk to you guys about our apple pattern. Okay, so here we go. Red, green, 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 red, green. And what's it going to be on Avery's birthday? Red. Okay, so it's an A-B pattern. All the A's are red, A, B. All the B's are green. Okay, now we're going to write the date on the board. The month. Oh, here we go. Let's sing. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. Yay! So we know that September was 9. So 9 dash 28 dash 20, or we could abbreviate September, SEPT period, finger space, 28, comma, 20, 20, or we can write out September, 28, comma, 20, 20. Okay, let's talk about what we are going to do today. Okay, we have sound letter cards that Mrs. Hensley is going to introduce today instead of our sound letter chart. We have a letter naming fluency. We will be working on a page in our September journal. We are going to read a fiction book. Fiction means it's not true. And it's called The Farm Concert. I am going to introduce you to the 10 frame and counters that you have at home. You have a 10 frame and you have counters at home. And we're going to be counting and writing to the number 6. And we're going to do our farm animal reveal and learn a new farm animal, okay? So I hope you have a marvelous Monday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.